These Portuguese bread rolls are one of the easiest rolls that we can make at home. We don't need to knead the dough and we can make it with just flour, water, salt and yeast. The unique shaping of the rolls and the baking method that we use will help to get that crispy crust and light, soft and airy crumb inside. And they are perfect for making sandwiches or for dunking in soups. So in this video, let's see how to make these bakery quality crusty rolls in your own home kitchen. Into this bowl, I'm pouring in water, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of instant yeast, and stir until both dissolve. Then add in the flour. Try to mix and combine everything together. Now, we don't need to knead the dough, but we need to make sure there are no dry patches or lumps left and that our dough is homogeneous. I'm doing some slap and folds. And our dough is ready. It took only less than 5 minutes to make the dough. Now cover the dough and let it rise for 1.5 to 2 hours. So after 1.5 hours, our dough has risen well, and using wet hands, I'm deflating the dough and shaping it into a round ball. Place it on a lightly floured work surface, and now let's divide the dough and shape our rolls. I'm dividing it into 6 equal parts. Now take each portion and simply tuck in the edges towards the center until it is tight, and then flip and roll it with cupped hands to form smooth round balls. Now we've finished all of them. Let the rolls rest for 4 to 5 minutes. This short resting time will give some time for the gluten strands to relax, which will prevent its elasticity and its tendency to rebound back while we shape them. After 5 minutes, take the first ball that we shaped and flatten it into a circular disc. And now make a deep crease in the center. We can use the side of our palm or can use the handle of a wooden spoon. Now stretch each end sideward and then fold it along the crease. And then twist both ends to form 2 points and seal the ends by gently pressing with thumb. We can also do this by rolling the dough by applying more pressure on both ends. And now place this onto a parchment lined baking sheet. And now they are all ready for the final rising. So cover the baking tray and let them sit and rise for 35 to 45 minutes. After 35 minutes, our rolls have risen well and they are ready to go into the oven. The secret for making bakery quality crusty rolls is to bake the rolls at very high heat in a steamy environment for the first few minutes of baking. This high heat and steamy environment will help the rolls to open nicely and to rise to their fullest. So place the baking tray onto a 250°C or 480 Fahrenheit preheated oven and immediately spray water generously inside the oven and then close the oven door. After 8 minutes, reduce the temperature to 220°C or 420 Fahrenheit and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes or until our rolls are golden in color. The smell of these freshly baked bread rolls are so good, and the joy of pulling a tray of golden rolls out of the oven is so satisfying. Let them cool down a bit, so transfer them onto a cooling rack immediately after baking. And these bread rolls are best to serve while they are fresh and warm, and they have a crispy crackly crust and the crumb is super soft, light and airy. And we can make delicious sandwiches by filling it with any of our favorite ingredients, and they are so good. These bread rolls are so easy to make that anybody can make bakery quality crusty rolls right in your own kitchen. These humble rolls are proof that simplest recipes can bring the most joy. I hope you found this recipe simple and easy to make, and when you make this at home, please write to me how beautiful it turned out for you. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share it with your friends and family who love homemade bread. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.